Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. How are you guys doing? So from the question given, we are asked to find the variance and the standard deviation of this number, this value given. So let's solve it together. Pick up your book, your pen, and let's dive in, guys. So first, let's write down the value. We have 3, 4, 2, 6, 8, 5, 5, 7, 4, and 6. So from the equation given, we are asked to find the variance. The second one is the standard deviation. So how are we going to go about this? First, the easiest way to solve this is to put them in a tabular form. So let's draw the table together. We have x. We have the frequency. We have frequency multiplied by x. Then we have the deviation from the mean, x minus the mean. Then the deviation, we square it. We have x minus the mean, all in square. And the last one, we multiply frequency multiplied by this, x minus the mean, all square. So from this table, you'll be able to understand this very well. No complication. So let's solve it together, guys. Now the order of arrangement, we have 2. That is the lowest number here. There is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now frequency is how many times does this number occur? How many times? 2 occurs how many times? 2 occur 1 time. How many times does 3 occur? 1. 4, 2, 2. 6 occurs how many times? 2. 7 occurs how many times? 1. 8, 1. So we are going to multiply these two, because from here we have frequency multiplied by x. So if we multiply these two, it will give us 2, 3, 8, 10, 12. 7 multiplied by 1, 7, and 8 multiplied by 1 is 8. Then from here now, you can see x is given. That is the value. But mean is not given, so we are to solve mean. So let's solve the mean together. Formula for mean is equal to summation of f multiplied by x all over summation of f. So from here, you can see we are asked the summation of f multiplied by x and also the summation of frequency. So let's sum it together. If we sum the frequency, we have 10. We sum this one, it gives us 50. Press your calculator and it will give you 50. Then we come here and impute the value. We have 50 over 10 is 5. We have our x value and we have our mean. We can now impute the value. We say the x is 2. 2 2 minus 5 is minus 3. 3 minus 5 minus 2. 4 minus 5 minus 1. 5 minus 5 we have 0. 6 minus 5 1. 7 minus 5 2. And 8 minus 5 will give us 3. So from here, since we have gotten a deviation from the mean, we square it. Whatever we have here, we square each other. Square of minus 3 9. Square of minus 2 4. 1 0 1 4 and 9. Since we have gotten our x minus the mean or square, now whatever we have here, we multiply it by the frequency. The frequency is 1 multiplied by 9 give me 9. 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4. Use your calculator and sum this. It will give you, the answer is 30. Now let's go back to the question. The question is, find the variance and the standard deviation. Now let's write down the formula for variance. Variance is equal to this is the formula for variance. Please know this, don't forget it. This is the formula for variance. You can see without this table we will not be able to find the variance. The summation of this is 30. Then the summation of f is 10. Have you seen? It's now easy for us to solve it. So you impute the value. We say since the summation is 30 divided by 10. Divide it, we have 3. So 3 is our answer for variance. Now we are to find standard deviation. Please know, standard deviation is the square root of the variance. The square root of variance, which is the same thing as saying the square root of summation f open bracket x minus the mean or square divide through by summation f. That is the square root. And you can see we have gotten the answer for the variance. So what are we going to do now? We say the square root of the answer, which is 3. Square root of 3 will give us what? Punch your calculator, it will give you 1.73, and that is our final answer. You can see no complication, very easy step. So guys, do well to subscribe, comment, like and share to a friend who needs it. You can see it's very easy. It's very easy once you follow the step. First table it. Once you are done tabling it, you will see the work is easy for you. See you guys in my next video and have a lovely day.